Also my shirt.
There you go.
Can I race you?
Oh, okay. I was laughing.
No, he's not Team Speed anymore, bro.
What?
He can't be Team. What's that?
Scotland, IShowSpeed's.
Scotland?
Yeah.
Scotland? We
Open up.
we in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
What?
Scotland. That's the best team.
Scotland?
Yeah.
Chad, why is he a Scotland fan if he's from Zimbabwe?
Yeah. It's the biggest team, yeah. Man, you can? Space. Open up.
Okay, yeah.
Right?
Who is this kid? Whose son is this? Whose son is this? Whose son is this? Why we got kids in the club right now? What's going on? We got kids in the club. This is what we doing? We got grown. This is a grown folks environment. That's America. Holy crap. Pocket, bro. He hot blocking. He's mad. Huh? Too many gold diggers in this club right now, bro.